Time to get you a check of the forecast, so we're going to start with the radar. This will be quick because we don't have a chance of rain here over the next couple of days. Instead, our focus is going to be on our temperatures and just how hot it's going to be as we patiently wait for the beginning of our rainy season. Let me walk you through the next couple of hours. All the way through lunchtime, we're clear. So a lot of sunshine like what we saw yesterday, and our temperature is going to be a little hotter today. Even through 5 o'clock, there's not much cloud cover across the southern half of the state. Now, rainfall needs continue to grow. Naples is going to hit 5 inches here today, and over the weekend these numbers will continue to increase as we have got at least another 6 days without a shot of rainfall in play. Punta Gorda is at 4.25. They'll make a run at 5 inches before we see that rain chance, which right now looks to be next Thursday. We got an update from the U.S. Drought Monitor yesterday, and due to the rain last weekend and on Monday, areas near the lake that picked up the heavier amounts saw the drought conditions go from extreme to severe. But the extreme drought in the red for all of Collier and Lee counties, including the western parts of Charlotte County, remains in place. And now that we're hot and dry again, we're going to have to be very careful out there with our dry conditions. Any kind of spark would set a fire off pretty easily out there as burn bans remain in place as well. You look at the temperatures right now, a couple of locations in the upper 60s. Otherwise, we're well above our average of 69. And compared to yesterday, we're up a little bit there inland. Wind is going to be the only hope to get the heat a little bit of a break here today. And like the last couple of afternoons, the westerly wind will kick in, gusting near 15 miles per hour, making the evening a little more pleasant. Look at these high temperatures, though. Our average is 90. We're going to go past that. Areas inland up to 95, if not 96 degrees, and then mild again overnight. The warmth is surging in ahead of a cold front, which right now is draped across the Tennessee Valley. The parent low has been spinning here in the Dakotas and Minnesota for the last couple of days, as there's no big shift in the weather pattern here east or west, and it's also sparking severe weather between Cleveland and Buffalo. You see a pretty vicious line of thunderstorms racing on off towards the east and to the south. Severe thunderstorm watch box there for Kentucky. So let's look long term. There's the low. Ridge holds here for a while, but watch what happens later on next week. We actually see a dip in the jet stream. That's going to push a cold front through the state. Late season cold front here, and it's going to be enough to at least give us an isolated chance of rain on Thursday. So over the next 6 days, we stay hot, we stay dry, with temperatures at least 93, if not hotter, through Wednesday.